Hello, welcome to my first video, Hazel's outdoor adventure. We're out camping this week. We're in the woods. Me and Dad have got a Nightcat to try out in the woods. It may be a little bit windy, it may be raining, but we're going to give it a go. I'll probably wake up in the night and say, it's raining, I won't be able to sleep. We'll see how it goes, won't we, Dad?
We will see how it goes.
Catch you in a minute.
God, it smells filthy. Help. That's it. Right.
Dad's going to be pegging it in with a hammer because it's too...
Ground's too hard, isn't it?
Yeah, the ground is pretty hard, isn't it, Daddy? Because it's too hard. And the pegs keep popping up. Here's camp. The one tigress chair, this is where Dad's going to be sitting. This is where I'm sitting with my little cat bag. The wrong way. Sussex Outdoors Adventures. That is James from Sussex Outdoors. Hello, Colin. There we go. There's Dad taking out pegs. Hello, Dad.
Hello.
I went, hi, Colin. What is that? It's a cobweb stuck to that massive dam there. We're not far from the dam, we're just over there. I'm going in. Yeah, den's falling apart. Bark. Yeah. This is dead, so this can get burned. Let's see how dead it. Oh, yeah, it is dead. Look. Sometimes the moles can come up here. And yeah. There's a lot of cobwebs, there's a lot of spiders hunting in this den. I don't like spiders. Hiya. Hi, I'm gonna go back to camp and see how Dad's getting on pegging. Catch you later. Catch you in a bit. Oh. Hiya. I'm in. Oh, it's filthy. How bad Dad isn't that? Is it on? This is the Keelos Gear sleeping mat, the OEX pillow, and the foil mat. The Mountain Warehouse Microlite 400.
1400.
1400.
That'll do.
It's so snuggly. I can just snuggle it like a pillow. I'm gonna be warm. This is a little bonbon gifted me by my mummy. And it's named Hazel. Hot water bottle. Mummy's hot water bottle. My avocado eye mask for when I'm on a plane. Avocado. And my fluffy socks. I'm going to put them on soon. See you in a bit for cooking. I am all set up. There's me in my blue and green sleeping bag. The Mountain Warehouse 400.
1400.
1400. And the Orex Flux pillow.
Oh, well remembered.
And the Keylossley sleeping mat.
Well remembered.
The foil mat. Hot water bottle. My little bonbon gifted by mummy. And my little avocado eye mask. I cannot wait to get in my fluffy socks and be all toasty for tonight. Neither can Dad.
What have I got? I can't remember what sleeping bag I bought.
You've got the red.
Mine's under all of the cooking stuff that.
Daddy.
That's alright, I can get it out the bottom.
Yep, agreed.
What was that?
I agreed.
Wow.
What? You're not.
Cook your own dinner.
No!
Yeah.
What have we got tonight for dinner?
We have got some chicken. And
Chicken!
pasta.
Chicken, pasta, and for dessert, crunchies and.
Lots of chocolate for dessert.
Yeah. And Horlicks. Chocolate, lots of sugar. I'm not being like before saying daddy bleh. I don't want that again, do I?
Right, I've got flex tail pillow.
Just like me.
No, you've got the OEX pillow, I've got the flex tail. Just like the pump.
Hold on a minute. James has that one. The flux pillow.
Flex tail pillow.
The flex tail pillow, he's got that.
And then I've got the EV400 sleeping
The
bag.
EV400, just like Eevee in Pokemon. That's the yellow sleeping mat.
Do you remember what it is? Thermarest.
The Thermarest, the EV
400.
400 sleeping bag, and that's got the flex tail pillow. That'll keep you cosy, won't it?
It will.
He's going to be nice and snug like me.
Snug as a bug.
In a rug. See you in a bit. This is my new Swiss Army knife that Mum and Dad got me from Go Outdoors.
Make sure you're actually using the blade, not the handle. No, other way around. That's it. Yeah. That'll do, that'll do, that'll do, that'll do.
Did it? We have pasta and chicken is what that's cooking. Look at that. Yum yum. Going red. Oh, that looks nice. Making me peckish. It's gonna taste nice.
It's going to take a little while to cook.
Okay. That's dinner, cooked by Chef Dad tonight. It's pasta with chicken. Nice and warm.
Yep, warm us up, eh?
Is it warming you now?
Yep.
That's the best thing about it. Warms you up. Gary and Chris, hope to see you soon. Hello. Can we sort out our camp together soon, Gary and Chris? Dinner is finished. That went down like a treat. It's getting dark. All the birds will be drawing in from the sky soon. How's yours, Dad? Going down?
It's yummy. It's very yummy. I'm being slow because I'm playing a game at the same time. But it is very yummy.
Nice. Empty dish. Leaving no trace of dinner. Catchy.
Empty dish, full belly.
Empty dish, full belly. See you later. There you go, I'll help you.
It's alright, I've got my head torch.
Dad's putting the DD hammock up.
Well, the DD hammock's top. I'm not putting a hammock up, am I?
No, DD hammock. I mean the top. It's really cool. It's got army patterns on it. There's Daddy. Chopping up some wood to start the fire. Dad's just made some yummy Horlicks. We're gonna have some chocolate and go to bed. Bit hot. Changed colour. The colour I like out of these four is has to be the pink. Chocolate time. Delicious. I'm going to bed and I've got some really big fluffy socks to get on. Big fluffies. They're really cozy. Oh, that was what I was missing. Night night. See you in the morning. Morning. I slept beautifully last night. I had to get up one time in the night because I got trapped in my sleeping bag, so I had to shimmy out of it and shimmy to get back in it. That's over there stashing some wood. How did you sleep?
I slept really well. First thing really quickly. I didn't want to get up this morning. Slept through our alarm, didn't I?
Neither did I. I didn't want to get up either. Just wanted to stay in bed. Dad's gonna make a cup of tea. And then we're gonna have some yummy breakfast. Spam and eggs. Delicious. And then that nightcat, and that's another one next to me. Easy. Oh. Yep. That's me, that's Dad. And here's Dad's setup. The OEX EV 500 sleeping bag. I think he slept pretty well in that. I've just spotted a robin. Let's go find it, shall we? Robin, where are you? Just zooming. He was just whizzing through these trees there. It's raining, I am soaked.
You're not soaked.
Coat's wet.
The coat's a little bit wet. It's hardly soaked, is it, girl? Drama queen.
We've got a yummy cup of tea to enjoy. Haven't we, Daddy?
Yum.
Yum. I'm going to enjoy this so sad. Aren't you, Daddy? Breakfast is served.
What we got?
Spam, eggs and potatoes. A salad potatoes. It's really good. We'll definitely be having this again. Won't we, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Please like and subscribe to Hazel's Outdoors Adventures. Bye.